Hello guys, today I have here this 100% blackout curtain. It says that it's for a better sleep. It's foldable and durable, and it also has that good size or shape as you want. And for it, it is function like for any window, and you can travel or home use. Okay, I like it because in my room I have like a window, and in the other part it's another room, so I think that all the time it's like the light seeing in my face. So I'm going to try to use this one, and let's see. Okay guys, when we open it, we have the curtain that it's like black from one side, and in the other it's like this. Okay, and we have also these tapes that are like double face tapes. We have this part and this one. Okay, and we also have 3 of these ones, okay, like to put it in the part we're going to use it. So let's going to try it. Okay guys, here it's the curtain that I have, and I'm seeing here that the first thing you need to do, it says here in the paper that it came, it's that you need to measure size of the window. Then you need to cut blind to side. Maybe your window is smaller than the blackout curtain, so you can cut it. Then you need to clean the window and stick blind on the frame. Okay, that they're these ones that it came on the product. So I hope really it functions a lot, because I can't really sleep with any light turned on, and in the other room the light always needs to be turned on. So I think this product, it will help me a lot. And I think that I'm going to paste one stick blind on this part, maybe another one in the top, and the other one on that side. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Okay, I already turned on the light because I want to show you how it looks. Okay, there's the light turned on in the other room. So this curtain, it's not a blackout. So I'm going to show you how it looks with the new. Okay guys, like you can see, I already pasted one part like of the tape of the velcro here it's the other one, and there's the other one. Okay, now this part, it's the easier one. I have one tape here, I put the velcro here, and look, that it's incredible because maybe you can paste a lot of these things in different parts and use it in many ways. Okay guys, I already pasted all the velcro. I'm going to show you. Here it's the first one. Oh, it has a hair. Okay, the second one is there, and the last one, it's there. Okay, so this is how it looks. I'm going to turn on the light and let's see. Wow. Okay, now that blue light, it's from that light that I have there, but I can turn it off. But this one, really, it looks very good. That side, it's just a part, but like I have the AC turned on, it's moving, so maybe I can paste one tape here, and look how it looks. It looks pretty good. Now I think that this is the best. And look, the light, it's turned on, like you can see there. So it has a really good function. I love it.